Welcome to Bankers Rankers. In this video, we are going to start a complete new playlist with the name Puzzle. We'll try to solve in this playlist. In each video, we will try to solve different puzzles which were asked previous examinations, and we will try to learn some shortcut techniques and the tricks how to attempt and solve this puzzle. In today's video, we are going to solve the puzzle which was asked in SBI PO 2016 Mains. What you should do is, you should pause the video right now. You should try to read all the contents which are given. You should start a stopwatch and try to solve this puzzle. Try to note down the time what you are taking in order to solve the puzzle. It took me approximately 7 minutes to solve this puzzle. So if you are anywhere near to it, then it means that your preparation is quite good. Now we will try to solve this puzzle. In the first paragraph, it has been explained that there are 7 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U and V not in the same order in an organization working as assistant manager. Different posts are given. They like different cities. Position has been increasing order of their experience. CEO is most experienced person and assistant manager is least experienced person. Final aim of this puzzle is that you should arrange P, Q, R, S, T, U, V according to their experience and according to the cities which they like. After solving this puzzle, you should be able to answer R likes which city and at which position is he working in the organization, and so on for other person. As in the note it is given that the position has been in increasing order of their experience, so we can arrange them in the ascending order, or the order will be like AM, MG, DGM, GM, CGM, ED and CEO. We will not try to attempt the puzzle directly from first line itself. What we will do, we will try to represent the information which is given in words into graphical form, and then we will try to combine the graph to get our final result. The first statement is R is junior to only 2 person, means he will be automatically the CGM. S does not like Ranchi, means S cross Ranchi. This is a way in which I used to represent it graphically. For me, cross means this is not possible, or here what we can say that S does not likes Ranchi. I have an option, so I am representing all the negative statement in red color and all the positive statement in green color. The next statement is person who likes Chandigarh is junior to T, means Chandigarh will lie below T. But will he lie just immediately below T? No, it is not given. That's why I am representing T, then dot, means any number of person can lie between T and Chandigarh. Person who likes Chandigarh is junior to T but not least junior, means Chandigarh and assistant manager will not be in same line. Person who likes Patna is senior to ED. There is only one person who is senior to ED, that is CEO. Therefore, person who likes Patna automatically works as a CEO. Person who likes Ranchi is senior to U but junior to T. We can represent it like T dot Ranchi, then dot U. Next statement is T is junior to CGM but senior to V, means CGM then dot T then dot V. Again, it is not given that they are immediate juniors or seniors, therefore we are giving dot notation. Who is junior to V and likes Agra, means U belongs to the city Agra and he will be below V. Therefore, it can be represented as V then dot U belonging to Agra. Q is senior to T but not most senior, means Q will be above T, Q dot T. Then it is given a negative statement that Q is not most senior, means Q cannot be CEO because most senior is CEO. Next line is CGM does not likes Bhopal, means CGM cross Bhopal. Next statement, V is junior to P but not to S, means P then dot V then dot S. And last statement is CGM is senior to one who likes Jaipur, that is CGM dot Jaipur. So till now what we have done is we have represented all the statements which are given in words into graphical. Now it is easy to solve the puzzle by correlating these graphs rather than by correlating these statements. Now we will try to correlate this graph and try to solve the. How can we correlate these different graphs? Let us try to find most frequent person or most frequent place or position. As we can see that T is occurring most frequently, T Chandigarh, T Ranchi, T CGM, Q T. So we will start with T. Whenever we are combining information, do not try to combine two information which are belonging to different stream. That is, do not try to combine persons PQRST and places Ranchi, Chandigarh and Bhopal together. At first what we are trying to combine only persons. So what we can write is, from this statement T Ranchi U, we can say that T will be over U. Then CGM TV, we can say that T will be over V. PVS, we can say that V will be over S. Now T will be over V and V will be over S, so T will be automatically over S. And one more statement, Q dot dot T, that is Q will be over T, means T will be below Q. So what we can say that Q will be over T and below T there will be at least three persons V, U and S. So one can be sure that T can be either GM or ED. T cannot be below GM. T cannot be CEO because there is Q above T. If T is ED, then Q have to be CEO, but a negative statement is given that Q cannot be CEO, so this is not possible. So only one condition is possible, that T becomes GM. Now if T becomes GM, then Q will be automatically becoming ED. Now three persons V, U and S will lie below T. How can we assign them? Two more statements are given. U is lying below V as well as S is also lying below V. So V will be lying above both U and S. So V will be lying in the line of DGM. Now U and S can be either like this, means S is MG and U is AM, or it can be opposite, that is U is our MG and S is AM. For representing two different conditions, we are creating two separate diagrams. This is a very important technique. What the student does, they write S oblique U and U oblique S. This is the biggest mistake which you make. When it is going to be more cumbersome, you will be unable to solve the problem. So do not try to save pages, and whenever a new condition comes, try to make a new diagram. Now only one person is left, P, so P will be automatically assigned to the position of CEO. Now we will go for the corresponding places. According to place, it is given that U belongs to Agra, so we will assign them that U belongs to Agra. Now again going with T, it is given that T dot 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 Ranchi dot U, means Ranchi is lying below T and Chandigarh is also lying below T, T dot dot Chandigarh. Below T, Ranchi and Chandigarh lies. Also it is given that S does not belongs to Ranchi. So what we can say that V will belong to Ranchi and S will belong to Chandigarh. One more thing is given that AM does not belongs to Chandigarh. But according to our second diagram, AM will belong to Chandigarh. There is no other condition. Therefore, our second diagram is not correct and hence we will not update it. Next, it is given that CGM lies above Jaipur. Only one place is below CGM which is vacant, which is GM. Therefore, Jaipur will be placed in the line of GM. CGM does not like Bhopal, so automatically ED will like Bhopal. Therefore, last place, that is Mumbai, will go to CGM. Hence, our final diagram is this. Based on this diagram, 5 questions we are asked. Let us try to answer them. Which of the following post is preferred by T? T is preferring GM, General Manager, option B. How many persons sit between R and CEO? Between R and CEO, one person, that is Q, sits. So option is option D. If Q is related to GM in the same way, Q and GM, one gap. As T is related to MG, T and MG, again one gap. Which of the following is P related to? P is related to CGM, option A. ED is going to which of the following city? ED is going to Bhopal, option D. Last question. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence they form a group. Which one of the following does not belong to that? CEO, then one gap CGM, then one gap DGM, then ED, he goes just upside. Then after DGM there is one gap and then AM. So what we can say that CEO, CGM, DGM and AM are one gap, but ED does not lies between those gaps. So we can say that ED will be odd one out. Option number D. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Bankers Rankers.